Hi guys, so I'm just going to talk you through the steps for a home microneedling treatment with the AQ Skin Solutions Derma Stamp device and their active serum. So the device itself is reusable. It has a titanium needle head. The needles are 0.6 millimeters deep, so they're a little bit deeper than what you would find in your average derma roller device to use at home. They're quite a bit deeper, and you only need one treatment every 4 weeks for maintenance and skin rejuvenation. If you're in between treatments, if you're working on acne scars, etc., and you've lost out on treatments because of the lockdown, you could do one every 2 weeks, but not any more than that. So the needling heads are replaceable. You need a sterile needling head for every treatment. So you don't need to worry about, sterilizing a derma roller at home. You don't need to worry about how you're going to store it. The heads are available in packs of 10. And the device has additional features of an LED light and also vibrating needles. So the vibrations actually take away they release some of the pressure from when the needles enter the skin, and the LED light again helps collagen stimulation. So this works in combination with the AQ Skin Solutions Active Serum, which is a growth factor serum. Growth factors are proteins that are naturally present in our body. They play a very important role in cell and tissue formation, in the communication between the cells in our body. And with age, our body's ability to produce growth factors diminishes as well. So this makes an excellent combination. So the treatment itself, the steps, I would start with double cleansing the face. Make sure it's completely clean. You wash off the cleanser, and you can always, to be on the safe side, do a third wipe with a Calphalon wipe that is available on Amazon, or you could use Clinisept, which is an excellent antimicrobial solution. With Clinisept, you would just maybe spray a little bit on a cotton wool pad and wipe it all over your skin. This is also available on Amazon. And then you would apply the active serum all over the face. The serum is just applied, it's not massaged into the face, and the needles do the work. They will help with product absorption. And you would split the face into 3 zones: the forehead, the right side of the face, and the left side of the face. And you would start, I would say, with a part of the face that's not very sensitive. And then within those 3 sections, you do 3 passes on each section. So I will just switch the device on. I've got the cover on there, so I'm not actually piercing my skin with the needles. And for example, if you start near the ear on the right hand side, I would do a crisscross action, firm even pressure all through. You don't need to really press hard. And so that's a crisscross, that is an overlap, and that's 2 passes. And then the third pass, I would do just a horizontal stamp. So I feel with the needles going in at a 90 degrees angle and just using a stamping motion, you have a little bit more control over this than you would with a roller. You can go all the way up to the crow's feet. You can work under the eyebrow and just really help to tighten up the skin right here. I won't go inside the orbital bone. That's very delicate skin. So leave that out, and then you can work on the jawline. If you've got loose skin here, you can work on the neck. Again, on the neck, I won't do the sort of middle where you have the thyroid gland. For men who are using the treatment, if you've got a beard, leave that area out completely. If you do shave or you have some acne scars that you want to work on, then shave just before the treatment and leave 3 days after the treatment. So after the treatment, then once you've done the 3 passes, you would apply the active serum again. If you've done the treatment at night, you just need the active serum and nothing over it. But during the day, you would need an SPF and always a physical sunblock, nothing chemical. Don't use any actives on the skin after you've done the treatment for at least 3 days. So that would be any vitamin A, any vitamin C. Just use the active serum. If you're using any more hydration or a moisturizer, the SPF as well, it would go on after the active serum has been absorbed into the skin. For physical sunblock, the ingredients that you would look out for are titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. Heliocare, cosmetics, Medigate, they all do really good physical blocks. So if you need to buy any, you can sort of look out for those. So with the needling heads, once you're done with the treatment, you do need to dispose of the head. It doesn't go in the regular rubbish at home. It has to go into a sharps disposal. And I mean, you would normally not have a sharps disposal at home, so you can always take it to your local pharmacy who can take it from you and put it in the sharps disposal. The treatments you would do one every 4 weeks. And if you have any more questions, please feel free to just send me a message on Instagram or get in touch with me on my website, Facebook. I hope I've covered everything. Any more questions, any more interest in the device, you can always get in touch with me.